guys, welcome back to another Nuuly unboxing. And oh, I get so excited for these videos now because these are all things that I've chosen. I've chosen 6 items. They do have a thing now where you can actually add on items for $18, but I didn't do that because I didn't feel like spending the extra money. I do have a referral code down below. This is really great if you have an event or you enjoy capsule closets and you want to throw in a couple new items that you don't plan to buy because they're very expensive. Just a lot of things that Nuuly is really great for, and so far I've been having just an amazing experience with them. I've just loved it. And by the way, this is in no way sponsored or anything. I pay for it. I create these videos on my own, just sharing with you my personal experience. So this is our bag for this month, and I figured I would wear this dress today, and I've been dying to wear it. So I figured I would wear a big fancy dress while I unbox fancy dresses. If you aren't familiar with Nuuly, it's a rental program where you can choose 6 pieces of clothing to rent for a month. This is clothing from Urban Outfitters, Anthropologie, Free People, very, very expensive brands. Once the month ends, you can choose to either purchase anything that you liked in the box at a discounted price, or you can send everything back and you can get your next Nuuly box. I'm gonna leave more information in my description box along with the referral code. Ask me questions in the comments. I'd love to answer them. I'll get you more detailed information if you have a specific question. If you are brand new here to this channel, I share fashion and styling videos every Monday and Friday. So if you are interested in seeing more from me, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that notification bell too if you do want to be reminded when I share with you. I did get a coffee stain on one of the dresses in my previous Nuuly. No matter how hard I try, I always get coffee stains on stuff, so I'm gonna move this so I don't do that. So this is my little shipping label right here. I'm gonna put this down here. All I know is that this was very expensive, and this just looked like something that was my style. Just this pale pink color. I love this deep neckline, and this just feels so authentic and beautiful and very, very well made. I feel like this isn't going to do any justice in here until I actually show the dress on. The fit looks like it's going to be, oh, I don't know, this might be it. Oh no. So this is stretchy right here. That's good to know. I was afraid this was going to be really stiff, but it's not. I love the bottom hem. There's so much going on. All right, I'm going to show you each item on after I show it to you just so you can see what it looks like and just give you a little bit more detail, aesthetic preview of what it actually looks like so you can get a better idea in case you would like to rent this yourself. This will be really pretty for like a wedding guest outfit or something. I'm gonna squeeze this into a capsule wardrobe before the fall comes. Now this top part, it does kind of hang over just a little bit, but I think that is the style. I love all this detail on the bottom of the dress. It is just beautiful. And it is stretchy, so this was actually quite easy to get in and out of. And then this is what the back looks like. And I think it is intended to be like a little bit of an oversized fit, but I do think I could have gotten away with a medium if I really wanted to. But I think it's pretty close to my size. This is the one and only shirt I have in this box. Oh, the fabric is just so nice. This is from For Love and Lemons. It's a size medium. For Love and Lemon necklines are just exactly what I'm looking for. And I love that they added the bow on the shoulder, which these are sewn shut, so you don't have to worry about them coming undone or anything. They will stay nice and pretty. So in order to get in and out of this shirt, you have to unzipper the side, and then there's a little clasp right here. So this is kind of open like that. This also has lacing in the back, like the corset lacing type of style, so that's really cute. I think this one was probably the most affordable item in this entire Nuuly box. So I was able to get into this on my own. I almost had a moment where I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it because it does zipper down like that. Then you do have a little bit of that weird open material right there, and then it kind of drapes down the side of your hip. That was a little bit different for me, but I do like it. And then this is what the back looks like, and it's just so cute. I actually might be tempted to keep this just because you get such a nice discount. This one I'm so excited about. I'm excited about all of these. I love this already. I'm gonna be wearing this so much. Oh my goodness. I was drawn to this because of that square neck puff sleeve style, and this has little ribbons that come down. I might tie these into little bows because I think that would be really cute. It does have a zipper in the back. Hopefully it does feel, oh, that's a really nice sturdy zipper. So yeah, this looks like it's going to be a perfect fit too. I did get this size large, and there is elastic around the neckline, so it will adjust to your shape, but there is no elastic around the waist. It's a very simple but elegant style, and they just are very comfortable and very flattering. So I'm very excited about this one. So I did take these and tie them into little bows. I don't know if they look better untied like I did on the sleeves or what, but I kind of like the bows. So in the front here you have this slit, and you do have a little clasp right here if you decide that you want a little bit of a higher slit. I actually like where this one falls. I think it's elegant and tasteful. There is stretch right here in the outer part of the fabric, but the actual lining doesn't have stretch. Neckline sits on me perfectly. I'm not adjusting anything. The sleeves are there to stay, like it's not sliding around on my shoulder or anything. This zipper is very sturdy, so that is another thing that I really like. Okay, now this is not the type of fabric I was expecting. Oh, this is a little bit itchy, but I was in love with the style of this dress. I was just so excited about this. This is from LoveShackFancy. It's a size large, and I do think I probably could have sized down in this one too, but it's like a halter style. If it didn't have this shiny stuff in it, I feel like it would actually be really comfortable, but it is itchy. So this feels nice underneath here. I don't think that'll be too itchy underneath there. Oh yeah, that feels really nice. I do notice that there's not any type of support or material right here that will keep it from itching your chest. Oh, and this does have elastic around the waist. So I'm glad I got the opportunity to try it. I absolutely love the length of this dress. It's perfect for me, which is surprising because I am very tall. I have to be careful because you can get a little bit of side boob in the camera, and for YouTube purposes, I want to be really careful. It's not as itchy as I was thinking it was going to be. Like, the lining is there. It prevents that material from really causing some irritation, but it is very pretty. It's very eye-catching. I personally love this. And then this is just what the back looks like, and the bow is a lot more dramatic than it was in the picture, I think, but I actually like the bow. That is just personal preference. I like it. A lot more than I was thinking, too. Next, oh, both these feel really, really soft. Okay, I'm gonna go with the colorful one and then leave the one that I've been the most excited about to the end because this last one, I'm telling you, I am so excited about. Yes, this is from LoveShackFancy. It's a size 10 and I loved the style of this. Like this would be so much fun to wear to like, I don't know, what would you wear this to? I don't know. The sleeves are just gorgeous. They are a little bit sheer, but very soft. Now this one feels like it's gonna be really light and very comfortable. Like I would wear this out today. There is no stretch in the waist. There's lots of give in the bottom portion of the dress and in the sleeves. Like I think I'll have plenty of room in here. The mixture of color in this is just beautiful and the whole style of the dress is definitely my style. So I thought this would be fun to try out too. Is just so flowy. Like this would be such a fun photo shoot dress. I love the colors. It's so unique and there is a little lining underneath. Hot pink material. Love it. I would recommend sizing up in this because this right here was quite tight and I had a difficult time getting that zipper closed. So that's just something to keep in mind. A little bit of trouble with the neckline, so I'd have to figure out a bra situation. Overall, I would just recommend to size up one more size. It's a black dress, but it has like a huge ruffle hem at the bottom, gigantic sleeves, which I mean, obviously I'm into right now. Very ruffly, like this would be amazing for a photo shoot or like just to be fancy, you know? This is turning out to be what I was hoping it would be. I love it. It does smell a little bit weird though. Maybe it's just the fabric, I don't know. But it feels really nice. It does have a little bit of that gripping material right here because it is an off-the-shoulder style. So I did get the size 8 too, and this is from LoveShackFancy. I did size down in this one because I wasn't sure. I think this will be perfect because you do have a lot of room in this one. I don't know. I think they were out of my size 10, which is why I went for the size 8, so hopefully this won't be a sizing issue. But I do tend to be smaller on the top, and I just need more room in the bottom area. But I'm gonna go try it on, and we'll know for sure. I love this dress. I did need help getting it clasped shut in the back because the zipper is actually quite tight around this area. This is quite fitted. It looks like it's off the shoulder, but this is separate and I'm definitely going to get good use out of this because it's very comfortable and actually quite light. It's not like a very heavy dress. This material is very slippery and shiny and I really, really like it. There you go. So this is what the back looks like. And luckily this material kind of covers that I wasn't able to get that part of the zipper shut. But I love this. This is gonna be so much fun for like pictures and I don't know. Like I will find stuff to wear this dress to because it is just so comfortable. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I am loving Nuuly. I know it's not for everybody, but I personally am enjoying it. I just love trying out these dresses that I would never have the opportunity to try on just because they're so expensive and way outside my price range. I just love having the opportunity to try them on, take pictures, be creative, add them into capsules just to add a little bit of pizzazz, I guess, flair. And if you have been interested in trying it out, I hope you do. It's so much fun. I am going to see you guys very soon in my next video, and I'm going to be having a capsule video coming your way. Expect to see a couple things from this in there. I try to put these to good use, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.